Welcome to your Ethereum News Briefing. Here's your latest for Thursday, July 20th, 2023. Worldcoin migrates to OP Mainnet, Espresso Systems launches its Doppio Testnet, core developers address edge cases with EIP 6780, and Balancer launches liquidity pools for Go. All this and more starts right now. Worldcoin has successfully migrated core components of its World ID and World App tech stack to OP Mainnet. Worldcoin is an identity project known for its infamous iris scanning device known as an orb. The project allows users to generate a World ID, a digital passport that can be authenticated using the World App crypto wallet. Worldcoin was previously using Polygon for its application. Existing World App users will be prompted to migrate from Polygon to OP Mainnet. Worldcoin chose to migrate to the OP stack as part of a partnership announced earlier this year. Worldcoin is also a contributor to EIP 4844 developments. Espresso Systems, a decentralized shared sequencing system, deployed the second iteration of its sequencer testnet, coined as Doppio. The system uses its own consensus protocol called Hotshot, which is a fast finality consensus protocol that enables quick transaction confirmation and is optimized for lazy sequencing. Doppio expands on Hotshot by introducing data sharding using verifiable information dispersal, where transaction data is stored by high-bandwidth nodes and broadcasted to a random committee. Doppio also incorporates view synchronization and signature aggregation. The Espresso sequencer has also been integrated with a fork of the Polygon ZK EVM stack. During this week's All Core Devs execution layer call, core developers addressed edge cases for EIP 6780. A proposal that aims to remove the self-destruct opcode from Ethereum with an exception for contracts created and destroyed in the same transaction. The first edge case will separate contract creation from account creation, while the second ensures Ether is only destroyed when the contract is self-destructed in the same transaction. A third edge case will halt the current execution frame when self-destruct is called in a different transaction than the contract calling it. Developers agreed to proceed with clarifications for the first and third edge cases, but will seek community feedback before implementing changes for burning Ether with self-destruct. Optimism currently depends on the burn feature for its Layer 2 to Layer 1 Ether crediting process. And lastly, Balancer deployed 3 primary liquidity pools for Avis Go stablecoin, pairing Go with wrapped staked Ether, LUSD, and BBAUSD. The Go and BBAUSD pool is a composable pool consisting of Go and the nested Balancer-boosted Aave v3 USD pool, allowing Go to access liquidity in DAI, USDT, and USDC simultaneously. Balancer's boosted Aave USD pool routes idle liquidity back to Aave v3, generating additional yield for liquidity providers. The wrapped staked Ether and Go pool utilizes Balancer's 80-20 weighted liquidity model of 20% wrapped staked Ether and 80% Go. Lastly, the Go and LUSD pool pairs Go with Liquidity's stablecoin to help diversify Aave's safety module assets. The 3 pools already hold a combined total value locked of over $4 million. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ether.fm. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.